Hello friends, myself Dr. PM Bhagwat. Today I want to discuss with you regarding the open elective subject, the product life cycle management. Now what is the importance of product life cycle management? Prior to that, I want to discuss with you regarding what is the meaning of product. Product is anything which is used for the service. So every product has to go through different phases since whenever there is a development of a product, it will not completely come as a product itself. It has to go with different phases. First of all, you need to develop a product by using certain ideas, by making certain R&Ds. So over the period of the time, once the product gets developed, then it has to be introduced in the market. And for that, different strategies are to be conducted for the introduction. So during this phase, since the product is very new, so the business people or the businessman will have proper channelized introduction to in the market. So once there is a name and the fame, then the development of the product occurs. So the product grows. Then it have a standard period through which it moves till it becomes mature. So once it get maturity, so again the test of the customers goes on differently. The customers will look in that product. So test of the customer changes. So once the product has got matured, it has slowly get into the decline phase. So this is how the product gets from development to decline phase. So this is called as product life cycle. Now what are the implications of this? So the implication is one of the most important implication of product life cycle is the decision making for a business. So the businessman need to make a decision prior to introduction of the product in the market by considering the different strategies. So what is the market condition, who are the competitors, where my product will launch, how should I launch, and what product how my product will perform in the market. So this is one of the important decision making concept regarding the product life cycle or introduction of the product. So as I told you, each and every stage have different strategic considerations. So as you see here, as I told you earlier also, whenever you introduce a product in the market, so what it requires the awareness and develop a market for the product. Once the introduction phase is over, then the building of the brand is important. Faith of the customer has to be increased. Seek to build the brand preference and increase the market share. So once that phase crosses, the product become mature. So you can defend in the market share while maximizing the profit. So maximization of the profit is one of the important aim for any businessman. So after completion of that maturity stage, the product start declining. Declining means that you need to add certain features to put that product in the market, and also you have to reduce the cost. Then again that product will become absolute, and once again there is a new cycle starts from beginning of introduction to decline phase. Now what is the importance of studying PL, product life cycle management? So product life cycle management refers to the handling of goods as it moves through typical stages that I told you: development, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. So this handling involves both manufacturing of the good and marketing also. So here also, once you introduce the product in the market, you need to market it. You need to market it in a proper way. The concept of product life cycle helps for the businessman to make a proper decision from pricing to the promotion, and also to the expansion and cost cutting. So what price at the development phase, what price at the introduction phase, what price at the growth phase, what at the maturity phase, all the pricing you have to need to develop properly, and also you have to promote in a proper way in the market, and also during the decline phase you need to go for the cost cutting also. So what is the benefit of product life cycle management? So once you go through this particular subject, what you will understand here, that is the sound product life cycle management has many benefits such as getting the product to the market faster, putting a higher quality product on the market, improving the product safety, increasing the sales, reducing the errors and waste. So also you have specialized computer softwares available there through which you can monitor or you can have the idea regarding the product life cycle development, such as document management, design integration, process management. So product life cycle management strives to improve the product quality and also the reliability. Now we will see what is